it smells perfumey, right, when you first smell it. And then comes the patchouli and the carrot oil, which is kind of sweet. It's barely noticeable. I mean, it doesn't smell like really anything. It just smells kind of like a sweet, perfumey note. And that patchouli and that sweet carrot oil note combine, and it reminds me of the Lord of Misrule bath bomb that we all know and love from Lush. You know how Lord of Misrule has that patchouli and then that vanilla note, so it's like foodie but earthy, kind of same thing here. It's got that patchouli note with that slightly sweet carrot oil scent, and then it's got way underneath this barely noticeable mint note. And it's not like you smell it and you go, I like that mint, because you can't really smell the mint. It just adds to the whole scent of this, if that makes sense. It doesn't really stick out as mint.